Hi everyone, today I'm going to do the unboxing of Sudio Vasa. Sudio Vasa is actually a Swedish design earphones, and okay, this one is compatible with Android devices. So at the back of the box you can see what they have inside. Okay, as I open the box, there's two small boxes inside. One, it contains the earphones, and the other one contains the leather case, accessories, and owner's manual. So, Sudio Vasa's earphones come in 4 different colors. There's black, white, pink, and blue. And I like the blue color because it's very striking. And you see the design is very nice and slim. Okay, so in the middle part there's a remote and mic. Okay, the remote, you can actually adjust the volume, and you can actually stop or pause and play the music. Okay, so for the other box, it contains the leather case where you can store your earphones properly, and no need to be afraid that it will tangle up in your bag or something like that. And then they also have different sizes to interchangeable for your earphones. And they also have the cable clip to firmly secure your the cable of your earphones. So they also have a manuals to tell you about a bit of their history, about the designer, okay, and how to take care of your earphones. Also, they wrote it in different languages. And yeah, this is a quick start card. You can see they tell you how to attach the cable and what are the functions of the remote: to answer call, to play the music, to increase or decrease the volume. Okay, and lastly, there's a guarantee certificate from Sudio. Okay, that's all. Hope you like my unboxing presentation.